What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wukop Entertainment. So there is breaking news that is coming in, and it is that the leader of the Patriotic, or the VP basically, Kenny Kunene, has been exposed as having been found at the home of Katiso Molefe twice. Kenny Kunene denied knowing this guy, Katiso Molefe, but he has been exposed, to say he was actually there twice, not once. Let's listen in ad hoc committee.
Now, when they went to Molefe's house to arrest him, they found a leader of the PA, Kenny Kunene, with Molefe, and they claimed there were other people, including a journalist. Are you aware of other people who were found in that house, or any journalist who was found in the house of Molefe when he was getting arrested?
I'm not, I'm aware that there was a journalist, but I don't know who. But I know that they did find Mr. Kunene at that house.
And a journalist? A journalist?
Yeah, the journalist, yes. I don't know who the journalist is, but I know that they did find Mr. Kunene there. Actually, it wasn't the first time. Even they said when they went for the second time, they found him there.
When they went for the first time for Molefe, they found Mr. Kunene there, and when they went the second time, they found Mr. Kunene
there. Yeah, the first time he turned at the gate, they were inside busy. He came to the gate and they showed him the road, and luckily, whatever he got, he went for the road.
General Mkhwanazi told us that you guys can say.
So there you heard it for yourself, guys. The first time Kenny Kunene, he arrived at the gate and was told to return back. And now the second time, that's when they were arresting Katiso Molefe, that's when they then found him again. So this is the breaking news, guys. So it turns out that Kenny Kunene was probably lying to us, when he said he doesn't know Katiso Molefe, because you can see that he was frequently visiting Katiso Molefe. But obviously there is one sad thing here, and it is that the National Commissioner does not know this journalist who was accompanying Kenny Kunene, because that's one of the questions that everybody was asking, to say, who is this journalist who was accompanying Kenny Kunene? Because Kenny Kunene himself, it's not like he refused, but he concealed the identity of that young journalist for reasons best known to him. Even though he was claiming, that I am clean, I did not do anything, but at least tell us who is that young journalist. But anyway, we all know that Kenny Kunene was cleared, by this law firm that investigated the matter, etc., etc. It actually cleared him, and Kenny Kunene is back in his position in Johannesburg. And another challenge that is there is that Fanny Masemola did not fully investigate, and get into this matter, because he was then asked, if he is truly 100% sure that Kenny Kunene was found at the house of Katiso Molefe. He just said, I was told by one of my police officers, But then again, you can't blame him, because there is a lot happening throughout the country, and he can't be policing each and every one of his police officers on their duties. The person that will have to be questioned is the police officer who turned away Kenny Kunene. I'll catch you guys on the next one.